Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Bohemian simplicity meets modern refinement in this Santa Cruz beachfront oasis by Feldman Architecture. Perched above one of the state's best surf breaks, the home balances sustainability, functionality, and a deep connection to the landscape. When the clients approached San Francisco-based Feldman Architecture, they envisioned a family retreat that would embrace Monterey Bay's picturesque beauty while integrating seamlessly into its surroundings. Aware of the site's challenges, the architects crafted a design that responds to its context while also supporting its inhabitants' lives.